1971 LS3 twin turbo convertible Chevelle. This is one badass Restomod here. Motor bay is all done up. Ryan Tooley stage 2 cam for boost, twin turbo precision, shade firewall, big aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, DSC brake booster and windshield wiper motor, billet hood hinges. We've just been driving it about an hour and a half so far today. No overheating issues. One little tiny chip there. Hood lines up excellent. Forge line custom made rims. 6-piston wheel with brakes up front, 4 in the rear. And here we got brand new TMI interior kit. Dakota digital gauges, custom made steering column, 6L80 6-speed automatic transmission. Power windows. You got the switches there, or you got right here where you just give it a little up. Electric cutout. Positive in. Gotta have a nice crazy sound system. 2 competitions 12s, 3 amps. I think it's 8 mids and highs, and it sounds clean. Street suspension kit. It's got QA1 coilover, 3-way adjustable shocks all the way around. This is one badass machine here. I think that's about it. Give me a call, everybody, at 916-856-7931, or check us out at victory9plastics.net.